हेलो एवरीवन, होप यू ऑल आर कीपिंग वेल। आज इस वीडियो में वी विल लर्न हाउ टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ द लास्ट टॉपिक दैट आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू। उस टॉपिक का, उस वीडियो का जो लिंक है वो मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है, आप वहाँ से एक बार फिर देख सकते हैं। एक और रिक्वेस्ट आपसे, आपका सपोर्ट मेरे लिए बहुत अहम है, सो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट। तो बच्चों देखिए, ये जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 41 है, ठीक है ना, दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन आज हम आपको ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करके दिखाएंगे। तो ये जो क्वेश्चन है, जैसे कि हमने पहले ही आपको बताया कि पिछले दिन का जो मेरा वीडियो था कि किस तरह से सवाल को डील किया जाए अगर पार्टनर्स चाहते हैं कि प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो चेंज के वजह से जो भी चेंजेस हुआ है एसेट्स और लायबिलिटीज़ में, उसको नया बैलेंस शीट में रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया जाएगा, मतलब रिवाइज्ड वैल्यू विल नॉट बी रिकॉर्डेड, एंड एनी काइंड ऑफ रिजर्व्स एंड सरप्लस या फिर accumulated profit if it is there, that will not be distributed among the partners. So in that case, how to do the sums, how to deal with it. So the thing is that कि ये आपका क्वेश्चन है, एंड क्वेश्चन क्लियरली ऑन द स्क्रीन आपके आ रहे हैं, दैट पी क्यू एंड आर आर पार्टनर्स in a firm and they are sharing profits and losses in the ratio 4:3. On 31st March 2019, their balance sheet was as follows. So the balance sheet that is given, this is the old balance sheet. Here on the liability side you have the creditors, the outstanding expenses, general reserve and the capital of account of the partners. Okay, and on the asset side you have the cash at bank, sundry debtors, stock, furniture and plant and machineries. So these are the values on the date when the profit sharing ratio was supposed to change. This was the value of assets and liabilities. And now here it is said, it was decided that with effect from 1st April 2019, the profit sharing ratio of the partners will be 4:3:2. This is the new ratio, and the earlier one in which was given in the opening part of the question, that was the old balance sheet. Now for this purpose the following revaluations were made. So these are the changes, that is furniture will be taken at 80% of its value, stock be appreciated by 20%, plant and machinery be valued at 4 lakh, and provision for doubtful debts for rupees 10,000 on debtors, it has to be created, outstanding expenses be increased by 3,000. And now the question part. Now you see what this part is very important, where it is said that the partners agreed that the altered values are not, see here I am underlining it with the red pen so that you all can understand that partners does not want to alter the values are not to be recorded, matlab whatever values of the assets and liabilities have changed, they are not to be recorded in the books, and they also do not want to distribute the general reserve, means general reserve, accumulated profit, general reserve, they are not to be distributed. You are required to post a single journal entry to give effect to the above. Also prepare the revised balance sheet. This is what I had explained you, this is the part that I had explained you in my last video. Okay, this was the part that I had explained you in my last video. So let us solve the question so that you can clearly understand what is to be done and how it is to be done. So students, the solution, this is solution of question number 41, solution, okay, of the question number 41 that I have just shown you. So as I have told you what to do, how to proceed, first of all we find out the sacrifice and gain that I have found out. You see the old ratio of the partners were P, Q and R. Their old ratio was 5:4:3 and the new ratio 4:3:2. And now I have found the sacrifice and the gain. So after the calculation we find that Q share does not change. There is no change in the share of Q. P gains 1/6 and R sacrifices 1/36. That is, P gains 1/36 and R sacrifices 1/36. And now here this you can do in the working note. Okay, this preparation revaluation account need not be prepared. It is not asked, but you can do it for your benefit to find out this profit on revaluation, which we will need. Okay, the values of the changed assets will not be recorded, but the profit due to the revaluation, whatever profit or loss we have earned, that is needed. Okay, so this revaluation account I have prepared it in the rough. And now see, stock was appreciated by 20%. So 20% of 3 lakhs. The original value that is given in the book is 3 lakhs. So it is 60,000. Furniture, you see, was taken at 80% of the value. Matlab 20% less. Here one thing I will mention here, 80% value taken, this is equal to 20% depreciate. Okay, because I am not taking the 100% value of furniture, आई एम ओनली टेकिंग 80%. तो इसका मतलब क्या हो जाता है, 20% मेरा घटा के हम ले रहे हैं ना, 20% रिड्यूस, आई एम रिड्यूसिंग द वैल्यू बाय 20%. सो 20% इज डेप्रिसिएशन. So to furniture, 20% I have taken. The cost of the furniture was given rupees 60,000. So 60,000 into 20%. You can do this way. So 12,000. Plant and machinery, previously it was 4,20,000 and now it was taken as 4 lakh, the revalued figure. So it reduced by 20,000. Okay, provision for bad debt, as it is said in the question, it was taken as 10,000 and outstanding expenses were reduced. So all these are losses, 3,000. Okay, and now I have balanced and I've got the profit on revaluation to be how much? 15,000. Okay, now what to do? Now we don't have to distribute the profits, neither the reserve. So adjusted profit you have to find out. Third part, this is the first part you see here, finding sacrifice and gain. This is the first part. Okay, second part is in the working I have found out the revaluation. Now the third part is you find out the adjusted profit, है ना. To find out the adjusted profit, general reserve that was given in the balance sheet 75,000 and profit on revaluation, these two will be added and total adjusted profit is 90,000. Now what to do? So now you see here, compensation amount you have to, this is the fourth part. Okay, compensation amount, that is 90,000 means total adjusted profit into share gained 1/36. So if I calculate, I got this amount, rupees 2,500. One single journal entry, फिफ्थ पार्ट, पांचवा पार्ट में क्या किए, एक जर्नल एंट्री पार्ट पास किए हैं कि पीस कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट, क्योंकि वो गेन कर रहा था, ही वॉज गेनिंग. सो पीस कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू आर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट who was sacrificing, and this journal entry is passed for what? For the adjustment of profit. And now we are said it, or it is said in the question that new values, you see, new values of assets and the liabilities will not be recorded and balance sheet is to be prepared. Okay, the balance sheet is needed to be prepared. But now to prepare the balance sheet, this effect, the effect of this journal will come on the partner's capital. So we have to prepare a partner's capital account where we will post the opening balance of capital. You see here, by balance BD, the balance that was given in the balance sheet. Okay, 4 lakh, 3 lakh and 2 lakh. And now this particular entry is posted, that by P's capital in R's column and 2R's capital in P's column. Okay, we have posted this entry and balance both the side. After balancing, we get this closing capital. This capital will now be recorded in the new balance sheet. This is the new capital, or you can say the closing capital of the firm. Okay, so on the asset side, the same value, जो वैल्यू आपके पुराने बैलेंस शीट में एसेट्स का दिया हुआ था, उसी वैल्यू से पूरा रिकॉर्ड हो जाना है. लायबिलिटीज़, जैसे कि क्रेडिटर जनरल रिजर्व को बांटना नहीं था, इसीलिए जैसा था वैसे ही लिख दिए. और आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंस, ये सारा चीज़ वैसे ही लिखा हुआ है. केवल आप देखिएगा कि आपका ये जो कैपिटल ऑफ द पार्टनर्स जो है, अब जो हमने नया कैपिटल निकाला वही यहाँ पर पोस्ट किया गया है. और जब अब इसको प्लेस कीजिएगा, इसको टोटल तीनों का कैपिटल लिख के आउटर कॉलम में और दोनों साइड टोटल कीजिएगा, तो आपको आंसर दोनों तरफ का इक्वल आना है. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से पिछले दिन का जो सवाल था उसका या उससे रिलेटेड सॉल्यूशंस जो है हमें इस तरह से बनवाना है.